ever thought that breaking boards is a little bit silly? Yeah, me too. But before you get all judgy, hear me out. I broke some boards. And I guess the thought process behind breaking boards is that you're gonna somehow smash the barriers between you and your wildest dreams. So I did this with 5 goals in mind. 1 was Burr, 2 was passive income, 3 was Tesla, 4 was another baby, and 5 was a trip to Australia. And here's the update. Got my Burr. That was an easy one. I was kind of already working on it, so maybe it was a little bit of a throwaway. We're about 6K net after expenses. But here's the kicker. I got 6 units that are currently getting remodeled. My projections are that we will hit that 15K per month once I'm done. And in terms of the Tesla, I ended up getting a Volvo XC90, which was the perfect mom car for me. And if you haven't heard, we're in Bali right now. We've been here about a month. We're going to be here a total of 3 months, so it's not quite the trip to Australia I planned, but I actually kind of think it's better. And last but not least, if you haven't noticed, I am wearing stretchy pants. Baby boy Haas is making a entrance March of 2024, and we could not be more excited to add baby number 3 to our family. So remember, it might be a little bit crazy, a little bit woo-woo, but sometimes all it takes is breaking through a board to unlock your wildest dreams.